Hey guys, so it is about 10:50 in the morning and I decided that I want to go to this little cafe bakery type of thing that's a couple minutes away from my house. I already had my lemon water, so I was just like, I might as well just go get something to eat. And look at what I am going to be bringing with me. This isn't my first time at this coffee shop. This is actually the second time that I am going, but this is the first time that I'm actually just gonna be like sitting inside. Oop. This is the first time that I'm actually gonna be sitting inside. So this is what I'm gonna be bringing. My gratitude journal, because it's so nice, because there's one side that's just for you setting your morning intentions and just starting off your day right, and then the second page is just evening reflections, and you're basically supposed to just reflect on your day at the end of the day. I'm not as great with the evening intentions as I should be, just because at the end of the day I'm just tired, but I'm gonna do my morning intentions at the cafe if I am able to. I'm also bringing my new planner that starts in August. I am so excited. And then I'm also bringing my Kindle. So I don't know if you can see, but this is the book that I have been reading. It's basically called Heart and Hustle by Patricia Bright. So I am definitely bringing this to the coffee shop so that I can sit, I can read, I can do something more productive than just sitting on my phone and scrolling through Instagram and TikTok. And I am bringing this stuff in my cute little, can you see that, New York Natives bag. I love this. So I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna bring you guys with me, and hopefully they have some space for me to sit. It's at the end of this block. Hopefully they have space for me to sit and just chill without people being all up in my business. Hopefully they have oat milk today. Are you open? Please be open. A vanilla oat milk latte. And then can I have an avocado toast?
That's gonna be a hot latte.
It's gonna be what?
A hot latte.
Obviously I'm back home, but I wanted to show you guys because I got this package. I've been waiting for it for a while. I bought a two-piece set from the brand Snood, and it's like a startup that that is basically on Instagram. So and I also ended up going to Duane Reade and bought a bunch of random things I can quickly show you guys if you're even interested. I basically just wanted to show you guys this set because I've been waiting for it for a while, and I'm excited. This is like, it looked like a really nice just lounge type of set. So okay, this is what it came with. It says Snood. Oh my goodness, oh my god. Okay, first of all, I love, oh my gosh, this is crazy. Okay, hold on, because this is the bottom, right? It's a two-piece set. It's a top and bottom. I love this. The quality, like, look at how stretchy this is, and it's a ribbed material. Together it's gonna be so cute, but like the fabric is really, really good on here. Okay, let me try this on now and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys in the mirror what it looks like. Look at this set. Oh, it's kind of dark. Oh. But look at how cute. You know what is so awkward? Oh my god, maybe I can show you guys better later, but like they're doing construction right outside my window. Like they're doing construction on the entire outside of the building that I live in. And you guys know that my mirror is right next to the window because that's where I get the most natural light, and I was just about to open the window to show you guys more clearly, and I guess they knew that I was recording, so I closed the windows. They started laughing and they were saying like, oh, she's recording or something like that, and then they started laughing. I was just like, oh my god, it's so awkward. You know what? I'm gonna show you guys later once they're done working, because that lighting just didn't do the set justice. I love the tone, but like, I don't even know how they saw me recording myself if they weren't even like right at my window. Like they're right underneath my AC. Why do I feel like this is so bad? I have like no privacy when these people are working here. Oh my god. This is so awkward. Imagine not having curtains. Oh, this is so embarrassing. I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys once they're gone what this looks like, because they're still at my window. I can't deal. Let me shut up because they can probably hear me. God, I think there's people working upstairs, but just wanted to show you guys the set. I know I look crazy, but here's the set. Look at how cute it is. It is so comfortable. Like, so I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I have my hat on because my hair is very greasy. So I'm just getting some pre-workout ready. I always forget how much water you're supposed to put in here. 6 ounces. So, oh my gosh, I don't remember. The last time I went to the gym was a couple weeks ago. So yeah, the last time I went to the gym was a couple weeks ago, and remember, well, I don't know if I actually told you guys, but I took a class at the gym a couple weeks ago, and it really like tore me up. Like this whole section of my arm, I just couldn't move because it hurt so bad. I feel like I like must have strained a muscle or something. So today is supposed to be today's supposed to be leg day for me, so I'm gonna try to stretch as much as I possibly can, and hopefully that doesn't happen to me again today, because I definitely took a break. I'm so bad at going to the gym. I actually don't have enough pre-workout in here for today, so I'm gonna have to buy another one, which sucks. I hate buying this stuff. I don't think I have enough pre-workout in here. I definitely don't. I was gonna say I probably should have dry scooped it, but the idea of dry scooping is just it's so bad. Like I feel like I would be coughing up all along if I were to do that, but hopefully this gives me some sort of energy. My gym has been getting really packed lately. Like there's more people going, especially like at the times that I go, and it wasn't like this a couple months ago. I like to do a lot of just not body weight stuff, but I like to do like squats, lunges. I like to lift free weights, but then there's so many people in the open spaces that I don't have space to do anything else or what I want to do. So I end up having to go to the machines, because I mean, not that there's anything bad with that or that I don't like that, but it's just like I like to start off with just taking a little corner and then just using the free weights and then moving up to the machines. I don't like starting off with the machines, and that's kind of how my routine goes. But I feel like the only way that I'm gonna be able to even continue with the way that I usually like to is if I go really early in the morning, and there's no problem with that. I used to go to the gym at 5 o'clock in the morning like 4 times a week, and this was years ago. I was so freaking good at it. Because the gym was literally 2 blocks away from my house. So I got up 5 o'clock in the morning, left by 5:30, and I would be there from 5:30 to 6:30 or until 7 or whatever. Get back home, get myself ready for work, shower and everything, and then I would be out the door. And then I would have the entire rest of the day to do whatever I wanted. But the gym that I go to is just like, it's not close by. Hopefully I have some space. Rude. Oh my god, you guys. So that workout was actually really good, except for the very end where I was stretching and then I was getting up from my stretch, and I actually felt really lightheaded, and that never really happened to me after stretching. Like the whole workout I was fine, but it was when I was stretching and getting up that I felt lightheaded. But I'm trying to relax now. I am about to go get a green smoothie, like a protein shake, because I am hungry and it is like 6 o'clock. So luckily, oh shit. I have you guys just resting on a candle and my planner. So I just want to show you guys what I actually bought, because you saw me going into I got my protein shake, really good protein shake, but I also went into GNC because, like I told you guys, the pre-workout just turned really hard. Okay, so this is my pre-workout, right? This is how it looks on the inside. Like, it doesn't even, let me see, can you hear this? Like, it's literally hard, rock hard. And I don't know if you can see at the bottom, but the expiration date says 4/22, so it expires April 2022. So it's not that it went bad, it's just, I don't know why that happened. So I usually get C4 Ripped because this one doesn't have creatine in it, but I had this one in the flavor raspberry lemonade. This one's really good. And then I decided to try a different flavor. I'm trying icy blue raz. So it's literally the same thing. Let's open it up, let's see if it's blue. Ooh, look at how cool. Ooh, oh, this smells really good. Let me stop doing that. You know what this actually smells like? Like, remember when we were kids, those of us who are like 25 and up, when we were kids, we used to have those little, like, the packets that come with like powder candy that looks just like this, and then it had that white little like stick that you lick and dip, and then the powder comes out on the stick. It smells just like that. Wow, brings me back to my childhood. So I'm wondering, is it because I had this in the kitchen? Does it have to do with like the heat or something? Like, I don't understand. Along with that, I also have been wanting to try Alani Nu. So I purchased 2 energy drinks just so I can kind of just see how they taste. I heard they're really good. And if I'm gonna be, I'm buying this because I know it, I like it, it's really good. But they also have a pre-workout from Alani Nu that I heard is really good too. But I'm not like, I don't like every single flavor. I don't love things that taste too much like candy. Like, this was fine. It was fine. It was just enough. I hope this one's good too. But like, I don't like things that taste too much like how Ghost has like Sour Patch and Swedish Fish. I don't really like that. So I got a watermelon wave, and this one is called Breezeberry. So I hope that these 2 are really good. I hope I like the flavor. But then I also, behind me, I also bought this little protein bar. It's called Fit Snacks Protein Bar, and it's supposed to be like chocolate chip cookie, pretzel, and caramel. Look at how cute this is. Like, the packaging is kind of what sells me with this. I feel like this is most definitely directed towards women, because like, how cute is all this stuff? We're back. It's dinner time and I'm just going to be making my every plate meal. So I don't think I've talked about this before on my channel, but I have a meal box subscription that I really love. It's called Every Plate, and it makes cooking fun. It's really easy to follow the ingredients. They just send you the food and you prepare the meals yourself. And I love it because I really get to like learn how to cook and all of these different things that I would never normally cook. So today I'm actually cooking, I think it's called, let me see, it's called the Cuban style bean and rice bowls, and it looks really good. Like, it looks really good, so that's how it's supposed to look. And honestly, my meals, they come out looking similar, not completely like exact, but I love how it tastes. Like, most of the time, or almost every single time, you're gonna be making your own sauce, so it's like creating things from scratch, and it is really good. So the only thing is that I didn't realize that this Cuban style bowl doesn't come with meat. I thought it was gonna have meat, like steak or something, because that's just like what I assume, but it's not. So I'm gonna be having a vegetarian dinner. So I have my ingredients right here. Let me show you guys. We have an onion, garlic, pepper. We have jasmine rice because I'm going to be using jasmine rice. It also came with this little thing of black beans, so it literally gives you the exact amount for everything that you're supposed to be using. And it's very inexpensive, so I'm really excited to start cooking. I normally like to finish eating by like 7 o'clock, and it's 6:15 right now. I just had way too much work to do, so I'm gonna get started now on dinner. Anyway, let's get started. I already screwed up. I was supposed to do half of the garlic that I just chopped, and I did all of it, so I had to take some out. So I finished, but I didn't plate it like how it was in the picture that I showed you. They were like separate it into little like corners and stuff. I was like, I don't have time for that. So this is my rice bowl with onions, peppers, sour cream, tomato, beans, everything. Now we're going in for the taste test. Okay, now that one was really good. I didn't get the poblano pepper in the first time, but ooh, that together with the onions and sour cream and everything, ooh, that was really good. You can't be picky because every ingredient complements the other, and it just makes like everything all together taste so good every time I make it. So everything without the peppers, I was like, oh, okay, it's pretty good, but then the pepper was the kicker. It was really good with that in it. So I'm just gonna enjoy my bowl. No meat, but it's fine, and I'll see you guys later.